To check your grades in Canvas, start out on the Canvas dashboard page. You'll know this is the dashboard page because of this heading above on the top left. And then on the left-hand side, the tabs on the left, the dashboard is highlighted white. So we know we're on the dashboard tab. So to get an overall look at your grades in all your courses, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the bottom right-hand corner, click View Grades. This will give you your list of classes and the corresponding grades in each class. For a more in-depth look at your grade breakdown in a specific course, you can click on this course link on this page and go directly to your grades. For example, we'll open this in a new tab, and we're taken to the grade page directly in that course. Or we can start at the dashboard, click on your specific course here, go to grades on this left-hand side, and we're taken to the same page. So when you're in a specific course like this, rather than seeing your overall grade, we're seeing your grade breakdown by each assignment. And when we're looking at this page, we can also test our what if scores. So if you want to see how you might do in a future assignment or how future assignment might impact your grade, you go to the score column of your assignments. So first, this is the name of the assignment, the due date, the score that you got on the assignment, and the total number of points the assignment is worth. So we can test if we got a 3 on this assignment, a 3 out of 6, it takes our grade from 100% to a 98. And then we can test if we got a 8 on this assignment out of 10, it takes our grade to a 97. And then if we got, say, extra credit at 11 out of 10, it brings our grade back up to a 98. And then you'll know these aren't your actual scores because you'll get this little warning that this is not your official score. So to revert it back to your actual score, you can individually click on each arrow and it'll change it to your original score, or we change this back to an 8, or you can click revert to actual score here near your grades, and it will change all of them at once. And that is how you check your grades in Canvas and test what if scores in a specific course.